Hello, hello, and welcome to today's new in for Target spring try-on haul. You know, sometimes how Target can go in waves. Like sometimes their stuff is like, no, and other times it's like everything is so cute. We're at the right end right now. Everything that I've been getting from Target recently has been so cute. I love the styles they have out right now. In today's video, I have a good combo. I feel like we have some pants, we have some shorts, some t-shirts, dresses, bags. Like I cannot wait. Like always, everything is listed down below in order that I share them in today's video. I have exact links linked below that you can easily shop. And make sure to head on over to Instagram because I keep up to date on restock alerts, sales on my story, and you just want to make sure to follow over there. We have a good time. All right, friends, let's go ahead and get started. There is something about a cute little white dress that just does it. I love the style of this one. I know white dresses are very popular for spring. This could be a great Easter dress option, but it does come in 3 other color options if you're interested. Available in sizes extra small through 4X. I am wearing my true to size small, and I just wanted to show it with a bag really quick. I'll set this down so you can see the dress details a little bit, but this is the perfect little spring bag. I love the little square handle. It's kind of that mix of like crochet and like a straw bag, but it's nice and structured. I feel like it pairs perfectly with little dressier outfits like this, but then also would work great for a vacation if you're going to the pool. It just is the prettiest little touch, and I'm just all about that little square handle. So this dress, I love the eyelet detailing. So it is lined the whole way through like the center, but then the arms, they do have a little bit sheer, which I love. That little detail has a little V going on here. Stretchy elastic waistband, which I love. You don't have to worry about any zippers or buttons. It's an easy pull-on style. For height reference, I'm just under 5'9". I feel like the length on it is beautiful. Now, I did go ahead and style it with these little platform sandals. I should have a discount code in the description box for you guys on these. They do run true to size. They're so comfortable and cute, and I love the sandals with this dress. Obviously, you could dress it up with like cute little wedges. That would look adorable, but definitely one of my favorites. This dress is so cute, and you guys, it also has pockets. This is definitely a white top that I will be wearing all season long. I think this is just a little bit of a different spin on like your typical white button down or white t-shirt. I like the boxy fit of this, the fact that it's buttons going down the front. I like the little front pocket here. Did go ahead and roll up the sleeves, which I feel like is really cute. Now I didn't have my size small available, so I actually grabbed the large, and you guys, it like fits great. I really like the slightly like boxier oversized fit. Obviously, if you wanted to be a little bit more fitted, just go with your true to size. It does come in about 3 or 4 other color options, but it's a nice material. I really like this top, and I am obsessed with it paired with these little olive shorts. Now I've shared this complete set before, but I did a little mix and match, and I threw it on with this white top, and I love it. Nice deep front pockets, has a stretchy waistband. Now I did size down to an extra small in this one, and I'm glad that I did. So this does come in a bunch of color options, but I feel like just the style of the shorts is really flattering. I like the way that it kind of tapers in. It has really good length, and you guys know this olive color is just like my absolute favorite. And I just threw it on with some little strappy sandals. You could throw it on with some little white sneakers. I think you easily could throw it on with some little white sneakers, and I think that would be really cute. This is just like an easy go-to casual everyday outfit that I will just run for in the spring and the summertime. How beautiful is this new white dress that just launched on Target? I foresee this being a very popular item, so if this is in stock when you are seeing this, I definitely would add it to your cart. I just love all of the detailing on it. The scrunching here in this, it has a little bit of a scrunch material here in the center, which I feel like is so flattering. So it's a little bit more fitted to about your waistline, and then it does flow out a little bit, so it's very comfortable. I did size down to an extra small, and I'm glad that I did. So I would say if you're in between sizes, to size down one. I'm gonna go ahead and share this bag super quick so I can set it down. But this, I feel like just looks really cute with this dress. This is just a little round rattan bag from Amazon. I take this, guys, this is like a go-to bag for me in the spring and the summer. It's so practical, it's sturdy, and then I did throw it on with some little block heels. Now with this top, it does cut in a little bit, so what you're going to want to do is wear a strapless bra or stickies. You should be just fine with a strapless bra because it doesn't go low in the back, which is great. But a very flattering dress if you have any events coming up. This would be so so beautiful. This could be great for Easter if you're watching this before Easter. But if you're like, Elena, I love the style of this dress, but I want a little bit more color, you're in, because they do have like 4 or 5 other like more fun, bright color options as well, which if I have anything that I need a dress like that for, I might pick it up. I mean, there's a lot of spandex in the material, so it's just really comfortable. If you have a wedding coming up, you could go for one of the brighter colors, and this would be perfect to just be in for a long period of time because it's so comfortable. I love this look so much. These shorts are so good, but we'll go ahead and start off with the button down. I've shared this in the white previously as well. Love this button down from Target. It's a great spring and summer closet staple. I just cuffed the sleeves. So you saw the white cropped button down a little bit earlier. This is the longer version if you don't want a more cropped style. So there's 2 options you can choose from. This I did go with my true to size small. I have functional buttons the whole way down the front. It's a nice breathable material, and again, comes in so many color options. I love just kind of undoing the bottom 2 buttons and tucking in one side, kind of like this. I'll go ahead and just put this other side in here so you can see the shorts a little bit. This is another way I like to style it anyways. I just wanted to show both options. These are a mid-rise denim short. Love the cream color. It does have a 3.5-inch inseam. Kind of has a little bit of a distressed hemline here, which I really like. It does come in about 4 or 5 other color washes if you are not looking for a cream. You want like a true denim color. Those are available. They do have pockets in the back. I feel like the length is perfect. Like I said, it is like a mid-rise, although on me it kind of feels like a high-rise short. But I always love short and appreciate shorts that look really flattering, but also they aren't like riding up. Like this just I feel like this is a great combo, great length. It's 99% cotton, so it's really nice and breathable too. And just is a normal zip and 1 button fly, so you don't have to fidget with a ton of buttons, which automatically like takes it way up on the bar for me. You definitely could pair these with little sneakers. I threw it on with just some quilted little sandals, which I thought looked really cute. And I would say so I'm typically a size 0 in universal thread jeans, but as far as denim shorts, I always will size up 1 size because I don't want them to feel super tight or like they're riding up. So the size 2 fit me really great. This is one of those times where I wish you all could come through the camera and feel the material on this. I love these t-shirts. They're $15, which honestly kind of blows me away because they're just some of the best. Now this is actually from the Stars Above collection from Target. So if you're familiar with Target, that is more of like a nighttime, like lounge type of line at Target. They do have a bunch of colors in this t-shirt. I love this kind of purple for the spring and the summertime. Has a little pocket on the left side. I am wearing my true to size small. I love front tucking it into these tapered pants. These are also new at Target. I think these are so perfect for spring. They do have front pockets here. Now, just for height reference, I'm just under 5'9", and this is kind of the length that hits me. More like a 3/4, 7/8 length. They do have a nice pleat going down the front. I feel like they're that pant that you can wear a little bit more casual like this with just like a t-shirt and little sandals, or you can dress it up for work, throw on a blouse, some heels, and it's just very versatile. Now these pants do come in a lot of color options as well. Actually, I sized down to an extra small in these because they were a little bit on the bigger side, and I love that they kind of have that loose leg fit, but they're also not like super baggy as well. So I really like this combination together for like an everyday casual look. You guys, both of these items are awesome, but this tee, if you have one thing to get, you will wear this on repeat. And then one quick little note, I will have all of my jewelry and makeup that I'm wearing linked in the description box below as well. You guys know me and my love for little spring summer sundresses. I'm obsessed with this pink print. I love the little shoulder detail going on here. I feel like when you have elongated shoulders, it slims everything down. So I feel like that's a fun little touch to this. It has a nice little scoop neck. This is completely smocked up here, so it's an easy pull-on style. You don't have to worry about any zippers or buttons, and it's a nice breathable fabric. It is double lined down here, so it's not see-through, it's not sheer. It does have pockets, which just makes it that much better. And I feel like the pockets don't make it bulkier. Sometimes with dresses, the pockets can make it look bulky. I feel like they're very hidden. Like you wouldn't know that there's a pocket there. The length is really great. I am wearing my true to size small. I just threw it on with some little quilted sandals from Target and this cute little crossbody shoulder bag that's actually from Amazon. But it's like the perfect little medium-sized bag to throw on with looks like this. You can fit all your necessities in there, but it's not like a big shoulder bag, if you know what I mean. Now this dress comes in tons of other color options. I've actually shared it in the white before, and that white is always sold out. But if you don't follow me
me over on Instagram, I do share restock alerts on really popular items like that. So make sure to follow me over there if you don't. But I just feel like it's spring. I just love the pink feminine touch. And this pink is like the on-trend color this spring and summer season. I saw these new pants in the new arrival section at Target and I instantly was like, okay, yes. I love this pattern. I think it's so fun. It does come in two other more bright color options. I was all about this white and black. Has a nice stretchy waistband, little drawstring that you can adjust there, but there's no zippers or buttons, which you guys know I love. It does have pockets. As far as sizing, I did go with my true to size small, but you easily could size down in this because it is that more wide leg silhouette. I'm just under 5'9". The length hits perfectly right around my ankle. I threw it on with some little white espadrille sneakers, but you definitely could opt for a sandal or a little wedge if you're a bit more petite. I went ahead and threw it on with my favorite Skims Look for Less bodysuit from Amazon. This is actually a new release, so I love it. It's the best that I've tried. The neckline, it just fits like a glove, and I am wearing my true to size small. But another way you definitely could style this a little bit more put together, like if you don't want to just wear like a tank. Although this kind of has like a wider strap, which I really like, but you definitely could throw this on with like a white button down, front tuck the side half in. This also would be a really great pair of pants for any tropical vacations you have coming up. I feel like I just like get that vibe with these, but so fun. Love them. They're really, really cute. And I like want to grab the other pink option because I think they're so fun.
Alright, if you enjoyed this video and want to see more from Target, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button because we talk all things affordable fashion and lifestyle 2 to 3 times a week. So would love to have you come hang out with us, and I'll see you all next time. Bye, friends.